message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Medina County until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service dropped the radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles northwest of Lodi and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Litchfield, Medina, Brunswick, Wadsworth. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Medina County, Ohio.